Sabina, brother ISHETO tu ya di bira sa ayo. Pale sana. Pale sana. Aro. Kudye ja.
मैं तो नहीं बुढ़ू खाऊंगा
Pal kaise na khana hai?
बात तो खाना
Kile khana hai?
तू समय नहीं वाला अरे हम थोड़ा पैसा पाओगे तो पाना
Khana hai.
चलो तुम्हें
Aba. Paniri mana aise? Tu bhat khabo?
This is ISHETO Sumi, once homeless, but one video, YouTube video making viral. One woman take initiative and his life was changed, but somehow he then returned into homeless. He was living around the railway station at Timaba, but unfortunately this morning around 11 a.m. at train station he was found dead. Witness say that he was ill a few days back, but somehow, unfortunately, he is dead. He is no more. I have known him, this man, before. Back then, his life was great, but somehow, I don't know how he became homeless. He was a good man, a good heart, and kind heart man, and humble. Very sad to see him like this, but nobody can run from death.